Shoot open.
Each. Knee. Each. Knee. Kia. Okay, other side. Shoot okay. On the position. Each. Knee. Sige lang. Each. Knee. Okay, see it. Shoot okay.
Shoot okay.
Each. Knee. Kia.
Yay!
Now left and right, shoot okay. Look. Each. Knee.
Mag-exercise.
Kia.
Sunod-sunod. Sunod-sunod lang tayo, sunod-sunod lang.
Yun. That. Push. Push. Yun. Sa karate, yun lang yung 5 basic na bagal. Nagbabago lang sa pag tumataas yung rank. Pagka nandito, ito kay Jordan, nandito yun. Yung iba, nandito. Okay? So that's okay, push. Push. Yun. Okay, now, alam natin magsala. Let's go naman na punching. Basic punching. Meron tayong tatlong target. Center, Jordan, Jordan, and Ida. Okay. The position. Yung left hand ninyo, ito sa left. Yung kaliwa. Tapos tulak, reach. Center. Ito yung pinaka-target nyo.